Salibonani Bulawayo Omuhle. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, brought to you by Dep3 Events. Sesifikile ke amphitheater where the masses, Bulawayo masses, have come to bid a farewell to the legend sikhuluma ngoDesire Moyoxide Moyo. Leslie.
Yeah, Salibonani Bulawayo. Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. Like we always say, it's brought to you by Dep3 Events for all your event solutions. We are here today to bid farewell to a hero, to an icon in the art industry, a father, a politician, a poet. So we just arrived lapha amphitheater after a convoy, and the program is just starting now. So we are going to go in and just talk to people that have worked with him, talk to people that he has groomed, and just hear ukuthi bamkhalela njani, bamcelebrate njani. But well, lingabaleki thina sikhona.
Yeah, sikhona.
So
into So, you know, the turn-up is quite huge,
Yeah.
which shows the impact that this man had in the lives of people, not only Nkulumane constituency
Yeah,
yake,
yeah.
but we're talking about the whole of Bulawayo and even beyond Bulawayo, because it's labantu abavela outside Bulawayo who came to say their goodbyes.
Yeah, and also a representation, you'll see all political parties coming together,
Yes.
all arts groups coming together, all tribes coming together. I think into sharp yona lena, so it shows ukuthi ube umuntu onjani loba nje singasoze sinyarare, but well
So asingene
phakathi sibone.
Code 46 Desire Moyoxide akunyararwa lapha ake lesichazele kunyararwa vele sizishiki son of Chababa, son of Mambani, son of Kumasibi. My heart is beating. Gethule yeni ngoba lithi gethule. Kababulonga yeni bethule. Ngikuzothi somebody is calling my name. Lawe wasusabela kulobe kubiza. Balakwe, my son, about his disappearance. You talk of exile. About his death. You talk of findings. About killings, massacres, and genocide. You talk of madness, insanity, and disturbances. About his bones, you talk of nothing. Balakwe, what exactly happened to my son? Harare Road, where is monoxide. What exactly happened to him?
Athi wena kamoyo ufile kodwa mina ngithi ukhotheme athi ufile kodwa mina ngithi usaphila ngoba imisebenzi yakho iyakhuluma ikhuluma ubuhlaka lapho izinto ezimimanzozo elizweni iyakhuza lapho izinto ezesimasana umshado wezintsha
iwile inkanyezi bayidumbe phansi izinezulu ezingasahlakaniseki duduzekani bantu bakithi kufa you have killed all living beings of all colors, shapes, size and volumes but none of your killings is celebrated bantu bakithi duduzekani ingani uyasho lo mbhalo ukuthi bonke abahlezi kwesemposi sokunene wena ubona umbuso wezulu ngakho ngithi ibabonile bekhula ngesilo kodwa ngithi kini thulani lingabe lisakhala sakhile kuleli izwe selikhontiwe yini hamba kahle monoxide sanokuchamama sanokumasimi hamba kahle
Be prepared. Phila ngeqiniso. Tshela abantu iqiniso wazothotho and you were always cranky and it. You took that thotho to the parliament. As you once said, messengers do not have to say the message after the message. My country is full of liars. Perhaps the messengers don't say beyond the message. Kuleli lizwe.
awazi na ukuba ikhaya lakho lisegangeni awazi na ukuba inyamazana yasendle besibubiyele ngocingo abafuquluzi balweba kepha wena belweba nje bavulela wena isilo esiphume umphefumulo hatshi womuntu oyedwa kodwa wesizwe senkulumane wesizwe madoda samahlaba zulu wesizwe samothwakazi
ube izimpondo zendoda ziyabolekiswa naloba ibisilele mina benza nje mfoka moya akujiyele zona ngisale ngikwaza amafokazana hamba kahle vele ukuhamba komuntu kuyindalo kadalwa kodwa kuhle ukuthi nawe uhambe unelakho idwala ebekhuleka lomuntu ngakho sithi hamba kahle chababa hamba kahle Son of Masibi hamba kahle mntakana Kenny Mangena no Johnson Solo moyo
with Tilbeth Moyo, the director of Victory Siyanqoba. Unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Sesihlangana ngenhlungu.
Hayi, sala ngabe sisi.
Yes.
Abonakele sisi.
So tell us about today and about how you're feeling with your relationship, not design.
I started working with Moyo Oxide in 2022. But ngendlela ebesisebenza ngayo. Hayi, vele ngingakanye ukuthi sile 2 years kuphela sebenza so. We became so close as a mentor in and njengesa ukuthi Victory sebenza so to a point yokuthi I saw a brother well being umoyo kuye kwamchaza khona kana ukuthi umfana wakhe wakomoyo taking after Victory after him and yeah we were pretty tight and lokho kwenzakala namhlanje asonto engithi kade singayiprepare or anything lokho kubunzima sisona.
So now what does this mean for Victory Siyanqoba? Going onwards.
The show must go on. Umkhulu lo msebenzi.
That's what you would have wanted. Eh?
That's what you would have said. So akula ngenye indlela because esaphila you kept on saying but as long as ngisaphila Victory isoke if. As long as ngisaphila Victory isoke if. The show must go on.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So there you have it, folks. I was talking to Tilbeth Moyo or Victory Siyanqoba.
Hayi bebeli okurentes okuhlalisana kakuhle just and gently please.
It's
So there you have it, folks. Siloke simelele abanye abantu abazabuya ukuthi siba interview, and the funeral is still going on. Ngilo Honorable Gift Ostalos Siziba. Unjani Siziba?
Ngiyaphila ngonjani?
Hayi, lami ngiyaphila. Silahlekelwe namhlanje.
Hey, kunzima bakithi.
So tell us about your relationship with the late and what it means to be here today.
No, thank you very much. Desire to us, Desire was many things. He was an artist, a poet. To us, he was a revolutionary. We have lost a revolutionary leader of Ngulumane, of Bulawayo, and of Zimbabwe. The struggle of the oppressed is short of an individual who speak about the struggles of the poor, the struggle of the working people, the struggle of the unemployed, the struggle of students who wake up at the jobless existence. Desire would deploy his God-given skills of using poetry and music to speak on behalf of those people. So we are very short. It is going to be very difficult to replace and fill the shoes of this great hero of our people.
So what does this mean for Ngulumane constituency, and going forward, what does it really mean?
Ngulumane constituency has always produced heroes. Chamsa Ngamahlangu was from Ngulumane. This is the shoes that Desire was filling. And he was the people's member of parliament. So all been affirmed. He fought on the side of the people of Ngulumane. The people of Ngulumane, we have to remember his legacy. We have to ensure that his legacy lives on. His projects must be continued. As the democratic movement, we are going to support the people of Ngulumane. They are my neighbors, myself in Chabalala. We are going to support their efforts. We are going to continue Desire's projects. We are going to honor his legacy. We are going to support all the dependents who were there under his tutelage. So we have to support it. We have to honor him. This is a hero. Akupumputwa, astabangeli. Ukuthi when we see a hero, and heroes to us don't die. Desire is going to live with us, amongst us, give us the necessary oil to continue with this struggle. Because Desire wanted us to cross the finishing line. That finishing line is freedom for the people. That finishing line is democracy for the people. That finishing line is ukuthi abantu bephile impilo engcono. People don't want a lot. Bafuna amanzi empompini, bafuna amagetsi, bafuna imigwaqo, bafuna isikolo. That is what Desire was fighting for. And no mercy corner team, we're going to fight. If we don't get to the finishing line, laba bakhona baza continue, because Desire has left a mark in the annals of history of our country, and that will not be shedded away from him.
Wow. I have nothing to add to that. You have said it all. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga Khaya Arts.
Sengiphendukile njalo ngihamba lo Godolude ubuyile la namhlanje khona lapha e-amphitheater. Godolude unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani mama?
Hayi mina ngibona ukulahlekelwa.
Kunzima silapha sore yindlu straight.
Nanti phela.
Yeah, kunzima.
So ungangitshela wena ukuthi okukwenze wasukuma wathi namhla ufuna ukuzovalelisa umoya oxide kuyini and ilanga la namhlanje ubona ngani lichoni kuwe empilweni yakho lebantwini abakhona namhlanje la?
Yazi ngizizwa ngisesithubeni kakhulu umoya oxide besondelene kakhulu. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bengabe ngakwazi kodwa ngisebenza naye kakhulu indawo eziningi. Abanye bengibona kathi singuGodolude sengene kwezindawo sengifike kwezindawo bengihanjiswa ngomoya oxide. Made ngiyekutshela abantu kodwa bengumuntu osebenza nama-artist amaningi ubengakukhetha inhlobo ukuthi wena ungubani kumbe wena uvelela nga. Ubethanda nje umuntu othanda ukusebenza mina umuntu okhutheleyo othanda ukusebenza. So whenever makusiba ne-opportunity ubengibiza angitshele ethi ukhona unesikhathi ngisukumele phezulu. So ngumuntu obethanda abantu abasebenzayo and kunjalo mina ngumuntu ade sisebenza kahle kakhulu. So namhlanje into enza ngasukuma phana ngizizwa ngilahlekile yazi ngathi kushona ubaba wami because into eziningi ngizithethe kuye mina ngiqala i-art yami e-South Africa. So ekubuyeni kwami mangizofika la koBulawayo umuntu oqala ukungiyamukela angingenise ebantwini angibonisa ama-office lapho kumele ngiyeqoqoda khona angibonisa kumele ngihambe ngane kuyiumoya oxide. So ngokunjalo angazi ngifisa ngingabisela isikhathi emuva kodwa ke uNkulunkulu sekwenze.
Kuyakhanya ukuthi umoya oxide ube le-impact empilweni zabantu abaningi including ama-artists amakhulu njengawo. So imagine a big brand like yours celebrating umoya oxide. Thank you so much for being in this interview. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Aluba bekusiya nami. Aluba bekusenzeka. Bengizokunika ngithi yindaba.
Okwakhathesi ngihamba lo Dr. Kasolo ongomunye umuntu ebesimbona esebenzisana kuhle kakhulu lo monoxide and besimbona ku social media besimbona emcimbini ekhona esebenzisana kuhle kakhulu lo monoxide. Dr. Kasolo sesihlangana ngenhlupho bakithi.
Hey sesihambela umfowethu sesihlangana ngazo inhlupho kunzima kimi ngoba umonoxide ngumfowethu sengilesikhathi eside ngimazi ngisebenza laye abanye abantu bebeze becabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe mina ngiku Victory siyanqoba ngendlela ebesiclose ngayo ngikhumbula eqala ukuthenga icamera wangifonela wathi ndoda wena ngiyakwazi ukuthi ulolwazi ngezinto zamacamera so mfisa ukuthenga icamera ngicela uyembonisa hayi sayibona icamera yayi right kakhulu sayithenga sisonke and I think ama first months aleyo camera ibisetshenziswa yimi ubethi maye lemcimbi elani engibize ethi ngiyemshutela siye emakhaya amanengi lapha iVictory bihamba khona besihamba sonke ngimfilima umnyaka wona luthe uqala lonyaka wangifaka ku team ebisi yahola iziko ngoba yena selama responsibilities amanengi ukuthi ngincedise ku team esisiya organize iqoqwe imicimbi yeziko theater lab kimi lokho bekuyi angazi ukuthi ngathi bekuyi ngikubone njengenhlonipho ukuthi unihloniphile ukuthi ngibize phakathi kwama artists onke lawa asebenza lawo just nge Tuesday before last Tuesday yakhe phila kulomhlaba ngaposta ipicture ngilaye ngi admire leadership yakhe ngibhala nje ukuthi uyakwazi ukudelegate umsebenzi kwabanye abantu ukuze yena eqhubeke ngomunye umsebenzi ngoba leadership a good leader knows how to delegate akazenzeli yonke into ukuthi kuthiwe ubani uyenza kodwa uyadelegate umsebenzi kwabanye abantu ukuze umsebenzi uye phambili bekunguye ke lo monoxide so besixoxa nje kubhlungu kakhulu kodwa engingakutsho ukuthi umsebenzi asithiyele wona uyaqhubeka ngoba ukuthi singathula lokho akuqalileyo kuchabalale siyabe sesimbetrayile ngakho ngithi ngikhuthaze labanye abafowethu esisebenza labo ukuthi ama programs wonke ka monoxide kasiwaphusheni siwabambe sibonile uMethembe imbongi umntanakhe ngikhuthaze ezinye imbongi ukuthi asimncediseni umfana simkhulise njengalokho engakubona ukuthi ubabakhe akasekho kodwa thina esikhona besiclose to ubabakhe simncedise simphushe efike lapho okumele efike khona.
Hayi siyabonga lizizwele babukeli ukuthi umsebenzi uyaqhubeka lezi kuyaqhubeka ngithi
iziko iyaqhubeka bese sihlelile ukuthi uzaba khona mhla ka 31 kuyona linyanga ngikhumbula ngikhuluma laye ngeThursday entshela ukuthi usayafika eHarare uyabuya ekuseni kumele sihlangane sesiqoqo kweziko kodwa hayi ekuseni yakhona sasesizwe indaba ezingamnandi.
Hayi nguye ke uDr. Kasolo lo siyabonga ukuphatheka ku interview yethu.
Ngiyabonga.
Nguye uDr. Kasolo esitsho ukuthi hayi noma uDesire eselele umsebenzi uyaqhubeka.
Very streets that we walk on hold such profound history. Isigodlo, Samakosi, this is the city where our forefathers have gone before us. Omzilikazi labolo Bengula, the city where these queens rule. Onoziba, labolo Zike. This is Bulawayo, whose streets are as wide as a warm embrace that her people will give to you. Whose jacaranda trees are more purple than other cities. This is Bulawayo. Watitu Bulawayo, utawe yini. Watitu Bulawayo, utawe yini. At this point in time, we would like to ask for our speakers to be ready. And sizaqala the arts representative, sizaqala ubaba uSimon Mambazo Phiri.
nivuka njani Mahlabezulu? Salibona esingabonananga sihlangana ngenhlupho zika Gwayi. uChababa, uDesire Moyoxide, uSekamethembu, iBhoza. Esikhathini esiningi nxa sisenza imicimbi enjengale ngihlala ngisala bafowethu ukukhuluma phambi kwabantu. Kodwa kulumcimbi ngicela ukukhuluma. Ekuceleni kwami ukukhuluma bengifuna singakhulumi inganekwane. Sikhuluma iqiniso. Bethe qanza faneka. Ngicela ukukhuluma bengikwazi ukuthi sibalutshwana esikwanisa ukukhuluma imbali kaDesire from boys to men. I think amongst us ongangedlula ngokukhuluma ngoDesire iBoys to Men yethu kungaba umthusi lo Sabelo maybe. Kodwa iBoys to Men kaDesire siyayazi. Namhlanje bengicela sekele ukukhuluma inganekwane. Ngizacela umbulazi la yaqansi stage. uDesire ngimazi from Missing Peace to currently Victory Siyanqoba before it was even a trust. Olonke ngombulazi kanje. Yebo yanonke lobabili right. Umyeka beka siyabonga. Up to now when he's been running the community messengers. And I remember one of our very first conversations when Desire wanted to go into politics was Oleshwala now. And he was always sure that he wanted to do this. He was always sure that he wanted to lead his people. But I can tell you that in these last days, Desire was very frustrated. Hence he coined phrases like "sizi shit." Lingezwa abantwana belokhu besithi sizi shit abakhuluma inhlamba. uDesire wayekwazi ukuthi sizi shit. uDesire wayekwazi ukuthi umuntu omnyama uyamnceda akubonge ngegabha lekaka. Ngoba sizi shit. Mahlabezulu asigcina nini sekele ukuba zi shit. Let's not let down one of our creative industry heroes. Ngicela abantu ukuthi baqhanse lapha ngoba ngifuna ukukhuluma inganekwane. Umfowethu elimbona la kuthiwa ngumbulazi uNkosi. uNkosi came into this city with one of the biggest projects that will change the landscape of this country. I'm sorry I cannot disclose the project, but it is still ongoing. Uthe ngitshela ngeproject le ngathi kodwa Nkosi liqiniso lelembiza inganekwane wathe njengisa ukuthi liqiniso ngathi hayi I know one guy that can link you to where you want to go. Comrade Minister Mavunga, lapho eselikhona labo Nkosi kwaqala silo Desire. Kulo mbuzo oyi1 engawubuza ujaha lo efike eofisini lami. Ngathi umuntu ozokunceda uyakwazi ukuthi liloja. Liyakwazi Mahlabezulu ukuthi uDesire beloja, liyakwazi kodwa ngoba sizi shit. Silo MP olojayo. Silama hero wethu alojayo. Ukuthi nxa sisiyakhala kufanele siyecela kubo landlord lokudlulisa isidumbu phambi kweyadi yomuntu ngoba sizi shit. Ngambuza uNkosi ngathi nxa sizafaka uDesire kule project ngicela simthengele indlu. Ngoba imali zakhona bebekhuluma ngazo ziyakwana ukuthenga indlu. And ngimfake on the spot today uMethembe ela uEsther laye ela ukuthi angasiqambela amanga ngoba sizaba zishit. Nkosi indlu kaDesire ikhona na.
Maybe ngakaphendula lo mbuzo. 2 days before uDesire repeated some words. Uthe kimi bafo ngiyabonga ngoba into yakho isinonile. Ngicela ukuthi khona nxa usuphezulu khona ngale ngoba ngiyabona lenzo usufikile phezulu ngale. Ngicela ungabe ishit. Ngathi hayi mfowethu akusoze ngibe ishit, ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi isithembiso sami engamthembisa sona ukuthi khona indlu kaDesire izawuba khona. And I'll make sure that that house is Siswami. Like I told you yesterday, Desire was a friend and a brother to me, and I'll make sure that I'll fulfill that promise.
Yes, I think you have a little bit of meeting.
Baba was my friend, you know it very well. You know Gakul and Lawanya. I'll make sure that house you have it. Whether it's a house or a stand, you will have it. On a lighter note, xa ubaba mekhona mina ngizalwa yindoda ansombulazi ingunkosi. Ngiyaxolisa ukuthi bambiza ngebizo lakho lihlezi.
Unkosi umntakambulazi uKhumalo, siyabonga. UsekaMthembu belabangani abaningi. One of his best friends was Umzwakhe Mbuli. Umzwakhe just sent us a message this morning. Ngicela umbulazi ahlala ibali benisithi ngizayibala. Uyibale ngevoice kaMzwakhe.
Deepest condolences. I hereby send my heartfelt condolences to Desire Moyo, bereaved family, relatives, and colleagues. I am shocked and devastated by the untimely death of Desire Moyo. Death is a thief. This is a tragic loss indeed. He shall forever remain in our hearts and minds as long as we live. Desire Moyo believed in me. He loved me. In 2023, he attended the Siyabakumbula Awards in Sandton Conventional Center. Duduzekani akuhlanga lungehliyo Mzwakhe Mbuli.
Siyabonga simtshayelezana mfowethu Mzwakhe. This film project I alluded to before, one of our film producers is actually in Hollywood now. He sent a message, ngicela ukuba le message evela kuThembu.
I summarize again. Hi brother, sorry to hear about Moyoxide, a friend indeed. Tell the family and the family of Zimbabwe that we are going to put a small credit on Moyoxide on the movie.
Thank you very much. Ngingakehli lapha, yathanda ukulibonga Bulawayo ngokuphakama wenu lisiza lapha namhlanje. Simadolo nzima kunje ngiyacela abafowethu labodadewethu sesihlangane kanengi lapha eAmphitheatre sizobekana omunye kakayenza umtshato sizomsupport. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga Bazo. Sizacela iVictory Siyaqoba to come and give us that presentation and speech.
I am back with the one and only Mzo 7. Mzo, unjani?
I don't think anyone is okay, but siyaphila nje. Yeah, we are so devastated ngale yenzakileyo. You know, when you lose umuntu who has been a mentor to a lot of people, who has stood up for the city,
I can't say I'm okay.
You're not okay.
Yeah.
Because sesibonile from as the funeral proceeded, sesibonile ukuthi imsebenzi yakhe iyazikhulumela. This man has influenced a lot of people. He has worked with so many people. He has mentored, he has coached, and he has done a lot of work. So ngokubona kwakho, do you think abantu bazaqhubeka yini ngemisebenzi yakhe emihle? Imisebenzi yakhe izaqhubeka yini? Ama projects akade wayenza azaqhubeka yini?
I feel like he mentored people quite well, Umoyo side, because I've seen quite a lot of people traveled from all over. Yesterday, besihlangabeza abantu abavele eGoli, abavele UK, you know, abamentor nguye, and they came together. Even if Victory siyanqobela ibonile performer, it's not the ones who are based here. It's the founding members ababelayo since day one. Lama generations onke, you know, who said will travel and go honor him. It already shows you what type of a person he was, how many people he touched in period. I mean, what hurt me the most is he came to Amaresa. You know, he was very supportive. He didn't care what we artists, we poet, we musician. He came and said, Mzo, we are celebrating my birthday on the 11th because I was born on the 11th. So we will actually be cutting cake on your show. We ordered a cake called Nabuya, and we were so much looking forward to celebrating him. Unfortunately, we couldn't, and yeah, it's one of those.
Thank you so much for what you just gave us today, Siyabonga, and please continue umsebenzi wakho omuhle owenzayo, desire khona engekho. Please do also continue. I think Lawe, you learned a lot from him in terms of mentoring others, sharing knowledge and stuff like that.
Yeah. I mean, I just want to thank everyone who came out to ukuzosiza lapha, and everybody who actually came out to Zimuli. You know, I should say to our artists, asibambaneni. We're not in competition, we are one. Let's push to elevate each other. We heard our speakers, the community's name, and it's bad for our artists to go to Sisafe, Zima. I wish and pray even the business community, the politicians and everyone understands that art is very vital in the community. So let's empower our artists. Let's have a great and happy nation.
Wow. Okay, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
Izimo zempilo zisiqinisa ngezinye izimo ezingamukeleki. Esinye sakhona yilesi esifana lalesi. I wish the dead could resurrect and address the mourners at their funerals. Angazi ukuthi lamhlanje ubuzothini mdala wami. Njalo bangaka bekade bezawamela amazwi akho eyeball to eyeball. Ulele Moyoxide basilila abaningi. Anyway, silapha thina namhlanje sonke amajuba inkwilimba amavevane konke labomalulwane namagundwana lume phosisa, all they are here to bid a farewell to you, Moyoxide. Asithuli akunyararwa lapha kunyararwani ake lisichazisele mina bengizolichazisela kodwa ke biyelwe mina mbonwa mkhangelwe mina mkhulumi ngingakhuluma ngidli ngingavungama ngingavumulwa ngamanqe vela ngivunyelwa bona sebekhulumile izimumu zabo sezikhulumile izacuthe zabo bezilalele onkonyane babo babahambela ozafesane babo babalayela akunyararwa lutho lapha mina nawe be prepared, don't live a lie, phila iqiniso, be prepared. Life is not feta at all. I have always taken it lightly. I have always held my thoughts lightly. But I have realized lately that indeed we all shall die surely. And die njengodwayi. Kumbe sife njengamakhawe. Udwayi ufane nsiba zakhe. Ikhawe lifele bukhaweni balo. Linalungiselelane. Beata died singing. Oliver died singing. Sidney Malunga died defending the truth. Innocent Kala died bettering the truth. Hitler Checherai Hunt died repossessing farms. Morgan Changirai died in the opposition. So was then more Judah and Ubabu say Somoyo. Of course, Robert died discharged from power with Desire Kabila dying in power. So Fela Lapes esiphila khona linalungiselelani. Lately I've realized what you have taken lightly matters mostly and heavily. Imisebenzi yethu izakusilandela ngangale kwethuna ngayo siyakuvaleliswa. What we make and what our best well known form won't change once we die. Absalom Skhosana died interpreting, Genius Kinimbi died partying, Benjamin Konjera died as soccer star, so was Diego Maradona and Titus Majola alike. They all died football legends like Adamski and Richard Choroma. So fella la pespila kona, lungiselelani. Lately I've realized what you have taken lightly matters mostly and heavily. Imisebenzi ethi sakusilandela ngangale wethuna ngayo siyakuvaleliswa. Queen Mother nanti Pepe died queen. Queen Jofukazi nomana ngandiweni moyo died queen. So was Queen Elizabeth the first and the second. Death does not anyway take away our identity. What we make and what we are best known for won't change once we die. There are some tauters like the great Zaya and Dumdalukara Wamnyoro, they died tauters. While in Zamans, the alcoholics, they died drunk and drinking likewise. Good to drivers, they died fatally and don't collision with the breeds and riches and elephants. While rough riders, they died fatally and don't collision with the good drivers. So fella na pespila kona. Yes, till we shall go as poets, politicians, potters, drivers, doctors, artists, gays and lesbians, Christians and heathens, the liars, looters and the lady, gamblers and quenchers, police and the thieves. So far nothing will change once we die. Be prepared, don't live a lie. Piliqiniso. Sibonisiwe sithole died dancer. Nambithi died dancer too. Calvin Mqinisi yo died hip hop mafia. So fele thamweni lemisebenzi yethu. What we make and what we are best well known for won't change once we die. Ngakho ke mina lawe lungiselelani. No one will repent at the cross at the 11th hour. If you want to change your ways now. Upon death, no sorry shall work. Fare thee well, son of the soil. Hamba kahle moyo side. Size sibonane njalo kwelizayo. Hamba kahle Chababa. Hamba kahle Chakadla. Son of Solomoyo. Son of Shakeli Mangena. Size sibonane njalo kwelizayo.
Silokhu sikhona lapha eBulawayo Amphitheatre silinde amanye ama-interviewees ethu azasijoyina shortly. Umsebenzi ulokhu uqhubekela phambili usiya phambili, abantu bakhona abaningi babuye ngobuningi babo bezovalelisa iqhawe labo. We are talking about people in the political sector, people in the arts sector, people in the community of Nkulumane kanye labantu abavela phandle kwakoBulawayo babuyile ke ngobuningi babo. Okujabulisayo ukuthi sibona abantu abamabandla onke ezombangazwe labo bebuyile namhlanje bazobuthana babeka aside ama political differences abo kodwa babuya bazobeka iqhawe la koBulawayo, iqhawe lesizwe, iqhawe leNkulumane. There you have it, folks. We are back again. Ngilo Mrs. Thandolenkosi Mkiwane. Thank you so much for participating in the interview yethu. Ngike ngikubuza ukuthi ilanga la namhlanje, I know you've worked with the Desire Moyo and now usesichile. Can you tell us what does this mean to you and to the arts community at large?
On behalf of Zimbabwe Theatre Association and the Bulawayo Theatre, I don't want to lie, we are completely shattered. Why? Because we were so hopeful. Now we do have a creative in higher places, my friend in higher places, and we were having conversations, we were excited, we were looking forward to doing our projects, and now all that has been summarized into a coffin, and that's it. We are shattered. Even if I'm looking at those screens and looking at the picture and that beautiful smile, I'm like, but Chomla lapos kawadile. I don't even want to say mina nkawadile. Ngizubuhlungu, ngifike la buhlungu okukhulu kakhulu ukuthi it's not bearable.
So the arts sector lost a significant representation Parliament.
After fighting so hard to say we do want that representation, we've been having our workshops, we've been traveling to Harare to say, hey, you need to include the arts and culture sector, budget, what. It was looking so bright. Just a few weeks ago, besisonke kwenye workshop. It was an exclusive workshop with the PEMSEC, and they no lina khululeka nini. Now you have engage with your MP because you know he's a very vocal person. He's advocating for the arts. Khona ngale ku government portfolio and whatnot. Parliament portfolio like
but I'm sure Moyoxide would have wanted you guys to continue fighting for the arts space, and so I'm hoping, I think maybe you can assure abantu ababukele ukuthi lizaqhubeka ngomsebenzi siyakhambela.
Umsebenzi uningi, umsebenzi uyaqhubeka. Abantu sizishidi akunyararwa siyaqhubeka sesiyancwabana banxa befuna siyafela empini. We are happy ufela empini. Uyabona uDesire ufela empini. He actually died on his way back from work because if he didn't love this he could have been sleeping on that day, but he died evela emsebenzini. Lathi sizafela khona. Lapho uNkulunkulu athatha khona umphefumulo lathi sathi pass on the baton. I'm sure he has well even ama speeches that were all these young people that he has groomed. We are definitely continuing umsebenzi. Shattered, we are going to celebrate his life, but also umsebenzi uyaqhubeka. Sizamkhanuka kakhulu, we'll miss him so much, but umsebenzi uyaqhubeka.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Siyabonga kakhulu for agreeing to be part of this interview. Thank you so much. So there you have it, Uthando, Mrs. Thandule Nkosi Skiwane, sorry about that. Uyakhuluma ngokuthi umsebenzi uzaqhubeka noma uMoyoxide engesekho phakathi kwethu. The artists, they will continue fighting for the arts sector khona ngale ema-ofisini eParliament, ku-government sector, so that it becomes a recognized and prioritized sector.
We are here to keep his voice alive through our voices. You may think you have silenced Desire, but he left having planted a desire deep within us to speak. So watch out, world. Voices are rising to speak truth to power. La nqa sizishit akunyakawa lutho la. That was Ijomosi giving us an artistic presentation. And right now we're going to ask friends and mentors to come and share their condolences in brief and short messages. Sizaqala ngomngani wakhe, a long-time friend, Mothusi Mashibane, popularly known as Madlela.
Sasisithi sifika eNdlovu youth center eChabalala singakayenzi lutho kwakumele sithandaze thina sinje thina Asikwisikhathi esinzima njengokuma phambi kwesizwe ukhulume ngento eyaziyo ngento eliqiniso yamazi umuntu lelela angimfaniseli bengifisa ukuthi usabelo angasondela ungizondele vele ngiyazi ngoba ubesendlini ngale ngathi hayi ngiyaphenduka ngizokuthatha angachapha ngajoin iconvoy waze ngifonela wathi uyishini ngathi ya ngiyavuma ngishini kodwa ngifisa ukuthi mayekhona ngasondela kusondele neyona best friend yakho kuthiwa uNkulunkulu koncube esasifunda na angazi isikhathi engiphe sona singanani yabodla ke lingathoni la kodwa ngizozama uNkulunkulu naye sondele bakithi azoma la azothi sihlama farewell uthini khetha ngitho njalo sasimbiza sihlama esikolweni abayazi ingoma ezamanye khiyo esihlama sasimbiza sihlama angikhulumi manga bangangifakazela indlela esasimbiza ngayo desire moyo mawungazi umoya kusanda kwazi next mawungazi desire wazi hey lo muntu benzima ngendlela isimanga mangifike eManama 1993 beningakazali mathukhe sibadala sina nole zimhlophe ngifika second term ngithola lamadoda use right kodwa nabe ishit isikhula ngiyo esifake inkingeni esinathi sutshwana yena lo ngoba nimbona uyahamba phambili kuthiwa uNkulunkulu koncube kodwa wazama ukuthi ukuthi akanathi ingani kwayana umoyo hayi sport sakhe hayi yaqolisa ngeza kudala kodwa inkosi malanga kakhulu kodwa ngeza kudala Mrs Moyo sorry kwakunzima kakhulu sasikhula kodwa ke ngifika ngithola kune drama group eManama yayiqale ngosihlangu Dlodlo kuthiwa Missing Peace sithi hayi badala nathi kule nto esizwayo ngaphakathi esifisa ukungena kiyo bathi hayi mina nazi ngofom 1 manini eceleni wasethu desire kimi it's a Lutheran school every Sunday sihamba siye esontweni siyethandaziswa singabantwana singazithandazani vele siyethandaziswa wathi kimi mfaneka asambe sicatshe ngiyobhala idrama yami yokuqala izinto ziyenzeka ngendlela umdali azidala ngayo ungangaboni ekuqaleni kodwa umdala kayenza mistake ukuthi why wachoose mina why gijima kakhulu nale ndoda his best friend kodwa wachoose mina wathi khehla asambe ngiyobhala le drama engibhalayo ngiya understand namhlanje why I understand why safika sabhala ngingaboni lutho ngivelele emakhaya ngifunde emakhaya ngazi TV angazi lutho yena at least uhlakaniphile uvele town uyayazi TV afukwabhala sure wabhala okuthiwa township terror bayenza mistake basinikeza ishow yokuqala The rest is history. Senza manga. Sadetela ngendlela isimanga. So I'm trying to say, at a very young age, uDesire uchaba khehle uyakwazi lokho. Uyangizwa mina ngumuntu wesintu ngiyasazi isintu. Uyangizwa ukhona lapha. Yini nganganga understand kodwa ngikhuluma iqiniso. Uyangizwa. At a very young age, wa-assume i-leadership role. Was leader, was hola singabantwana. From imagine, singo 12, 13 years, 14 years. Up to size siyeqeda isikolo. As a leader, ngathi kuye ngelilanga khehla. You are destined for politics. Wathi uthwe njalo ngathi yebo. Phela wena uyakungaziboni into ekuwe. Abantu abayibona yile abakukhangeleyo ukuthi hayi umuntu lo unje. Ngangibona lento. Hey, ufa. I guarantee you. Umoyo lapha besiya khona. Batala bantu. Bantu be-politics. Ngiyaqolisa ukuthi kodwa beniyaguqa. Kusiya ngesikhathi beniyohamba nibuke. Ngiphinda ngiyangizwa umuva. Nginyusa ifollow. Beniyohamba ngiyamazi makhula naye. I-leadership wayinikiwe uDesire. Engayicabangeli. Sayenza ke isikolo form 4. Sayenza imerisho. Nasuka ke ngayezezani wasala eManawa. After we met again. Kwathiwa khona asiqaleke lento okuthiwa missing piece. Phandle. Saqala. Yathi njobala sakudlana nabombazi ukosiyaya. Sathi nathi sesibona madodana nabo iyasa umdala wami. Sakudlana nabo. Namhlanje silazi khona. And I want to appreciate Mbazo from ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yami. Ngoba ukufa kuyatsho mase kuzofela. Impawu ziba khona mase sizofela. Kodwa sisiboni asisilaleli. uDesire umoya wakhe ubusukwazi ukuthi hayi nansi indlela. Mbazo wathintwa iloko kwamthintana ngakwaziyo ngokwabibo kwakuphiri. Wathi bafana bami ngicela ukunihlanganisa for the very last time. Benginesikhathi ngasebenza noDesire ngicela ngisiye egoli ukusebenza naye. Wena campaign nawe benza into yakhe inkunzi nami ngisenza into yami ngeinkunzi la ngikona. Nanti. Wathi ngicela ukunihlanganisa for the last dance. Nigidwe kokugcina ngoba ningabantu bengungu. Nenze uzwelethu. Oh. Hayi. Tobi, noma ungayenzi isho. Ayikho isho ezadlula uzwelethu esimenzileyo khehla. Inkani. Kathi wayevalelisa umoya. Wayevalelisa uChababa. Sihlamahlama. Indlela enhle mbinjana. Sonke sizokufa. Ngelilanga bebebe kuyimi la ngilelela. Kunjani ukufa vele siyofa. Lokho noma uhlezi la ukwazi ukuthi ilanga liyakuya. Sonke siyohamba. Kumele sikwenze kulungisa kuphela indlela. Uthi kufika indlela siqondile right. Ungafika uyalwa ngani ukuthi uyaya kuparallel. Siyabonga kakhulu Bulawayo Muhle. Ngithe ngiyabonga ngaphuma kuphuma ilanga. Siyabonga kakhulu bengifuna ukubhodla ngikhiphe lento engaphakathi kwami. Angisumuntu otani kwawami but bengifuna ukukhipha so that ngithi fare thee well Moyoxide. Hamba kahle inkunzi malanga. Angazi ufuna ukuphozela ke ngibe senginivalela nje ngokuyinkondlo nyana ngisopoet mina. Kodwa ngifuna ukumvala ngokuyinkondlo nyana ngibhalela khona. Ngisase South Africa labantu abedudula bedudula abantu bakithi kudala wabhala inkondlo wathi yenze khehla nomfana siwalala ukuthiwa ngichalisi. Sayenza sise South Africa. So bengafisa nje ukwenza nje kuyiphisi nyana eqineni. Mhlawumbe ngikukhulu nje 2 minutes nyana nabona.
Sanibonani Mthwakazi Omuhle, Mazimbabwe namahle, Khulumani enhle, Bulawayo Muhle. 2 minutes ngibona ngani ihlela zawanenga because ngixabanisa nomkhathi womsebenzi. Second ngiyayithatha. Isihloko njengoba sokukhulunyiwe okuningi ngokuphinda kuyaso kuyicliche. Ngiyabe semphinda nje into esezikhulunywe izikhulumi zonke ngokuyibo bakhe umoya okuside. Thina sasimbiza ngamagama amaningi sikhula abanye simbiza sithi ngu-devote, sithi DJS, sihlanganisa amabizo kababa usiya khona le emuva simbiza sithi ngu-DJS. Umfowethu oluthando olukhulu kakhulu. Mina ngangingelaso isiphiwo esimangalisayo kulezi eze-arts. But inxa uthi wayethanda sizwanana wamfuqa wathi ngena lawo estage mayibhala iplay lama nginikezwe kuyi-role lami ngingene lami yenze lokho kuthiwa ngisishona kumiramira. But ngokuya kwesikhathi ngabona ukuthi ngani mina yami italent ngane ayisozimfikise ezingeni lalawa madoda. Ngadedele emuva kancane. So ngikhumbula nje zakhuluma nje okuncane nje ngikhumbulayo sakhula ngoba sihlangane ku-form 1 we're sharing everything. Nxa sithi almost everything. Desk, ukudla, landani yonke into, we're sharing all those things, ideas and all that. But then what I remember the most is that we're also sharing our naughty moments. Njobe chilo udlela lapho sisakhula sasidinga sibili ukuthi ukhale mbijana uswazi. Sasikade sesikhulile. So emanama kwakule culture ethile ukuthi in terms of punishment yayisenziwa ngama-Saturdays after i-general work, just after 10. So kwakubuthaniswa isikolo sonke, then ama-prefect abesebuya lamabizo lana abantu ababewonile phakathi kweviki la. Kwenza ukuthi after break abanye besiyaphumula besiyawatsha labo abantu sebesenjani sebesiyachaya i-manual work. So kwakusenzeka ukuthi nxa bebiza laphana ngokuya kweminyaka uzobebiza bethi desire moya. Vele kulande ukuthi enkulu konqulu. Kande kulande ukuthi enkulu konqulu ukuthi desire moya. Kwaze kwaba ngenye into yokuthi la nqamhlazana ngingenzanga lutho mina kwenye iviki ngapha umuntu adesire moya isikolo sithi enkulu konqulu. But this week mina kula nto engiyenze. But akwenzeki ukuthi abenze lokho wena ungekho. Indlela esakhula ngayo mfowethu. Ngiyabonga bakithi. Uthando lube khona. Ngaphezulu kwakho konke ngithanda ukubonga ama-artist. Kube lesimemezelo mhlazana sizwe umkhosi sekhaya esemzini wakhe lapha eNkulumane. Kwathiwa umsebenzi uzaphathwa ngama-artist. Ma-artist luphethe kahle umsebenzi. Siyabonga. Ngibona ngani ngawo umuntu uyazenzela yena imfa yakhe ubaziqoqe yindlela umoya okusayida ezayenza ngakhona akuqoqe ngakhona. Ngiyabonga sihlobo.
Siyabonga kakhulu bakithi sesivala abantu bepolitics ngiyaxolisa ukuthi njalo badala bami. Omlando bathi hayi yenzanye ngoba thina sinezethu njalo siyahlanya kuthiwa njalo mlando ngathi hayi mlando thina sihlanya ukudlula nina singama-artists sizindirayi okunzima kakhulu ningalingeni nithi nisinike isihlanya sizindirayi kodwa ngicela ukwenza ipoem yokugcina engayibhalelwa ngumoya okuside ingoma yayisithi xenophobia. In an honest world where a man lives one life, seeking shelter in the jaws of a crocodile is an invitation to be swallowed. Knowing my people of all types and shapes in diaspora are victims of xenophobia, abuse and bitter bites of politics. Xenophobia. Benny Darwin. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga. Ukamande sizacela uDr. Samuel Siphepha Nkomo, a board of trustee.
Welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. Well, I've been away, I've been busy. Like I said, Carl said, we are celebrating the life of a hero, we are celebrating the life of an icon who arts industry. So I had to run around Buffet too. And you know what we do as Step 3 events, we are always there covering up these events. Even in Chato, we are there. Even in Party, we are there. And it's active, it's a kichi and make sure that everything is done properly. So large numbers, like people have come to celebrate the hero. Karezinse move and some people are outside, some people are all over. The world is still full, abanye abalandawo zokuhlala, akuselandawo zokuparka, and so on. And what is more interesting is that I have seen big shots in the art industry I saw guys that came all the way from Harare, about Daniel Maposa, about Tao came all the way from Mtare, to mention just a few. So it shows what kind of a man we are celebrating today, and it also shows the culture of uBulawayo itself, to say, as uBulawayo sibambene, as ama-artists sibambene, as Zimbabwe sibambene, irregardless of the things that we got through. So so we are here, and Karesi, we are getting ready ukuthi siye mfihla endaweni yakhe yokuphumulela, which is Lady Stanley, kuyindawo efihlwa abantu abahloniphekileyo kakhulu koBulawayo. So from here we are going there. Unfortunately, we are not going to cover that side, but well, this is what we have been doing today, and thank you so much for always tuning into Enkundleni Exclusive. Liqhubeke subscribe, liqhubeke like, liqhubeke send ama comments, and also for all your graphic works, like I always say, Okuhle Designs is there to cover you. So from mina, uLeslie okade ngekho namuhla eGaulisa uNonduduzo sihambile laye, ngithi salibona singalikhangela.